One of the most common questions I get is, Laura, how do I find clients? And so many people think that there's going to be this magic strategy or secret funnel that they don't know about that's going to help them finally get all of these consulting clients falling down from the sky and filling up their calendar with bookings. But after years of testing and generating millions of dollars in consulting revenue, I can tell you this, it has nothing to do with having some kind of magic strategy that you might not know about. And it has everything to do with choosing one that feels most aligned for you and making it a daily habit. So today I'm going to share with you the 3 biggest client-getting behaviors that you can implement into your business today and start seeing results tomorrow. So let's dig in. So the first habit I want to share with you is the difference between having lots and lots of bookings and yeses on your calendar and hearing crickets. It's this fear. Putting yourself out there. And listen, I get it. Visibility can feel so vulnerable, and our brains are wired to avoid rejection. We don't want people to say no to us or think to themselves,
who does she think she is coming to me, telling me that she can help me as a consultant?
Our brains are literally wired to keep us safe from judgment, from negativity, from rejection. And that's why it can feel so much safer to watch more trainings or be more ready in order to start consulting. So if this is you, here's how to resolve it. Your thoughts are going to create the reality that you receive in the world. And if you've never heard this before, this is something that I have learned to be so true, is that when you have a thought, oh, they don't want to hear from me, I'm sure that they're too busy to talk to me. Then what happens is you start feeling less confident. You can feel maybe insecure, which leads to inaction. And the result is your business doesn't grow. But when we choose new thoughts around this work, when we say to ourselves, I can't help them if they don't know about my services. Another thought might be, it is not my job to worry about what they think of me. It is my job to make sure I'm doing everything I can to grow my business. And then the feelings that you produce from those thoughts might be around feeling courageous or a little bit more confident. And then as a result, you start doing the outreach and you start marketing your services, and that produces revenue. So the big thing to remember here is to always make your vision bigger than your fear. If you are more committed to what they think of you than your own vision for yourself, your business will struggle to grow. So if you've been playing small or waiting for the timing to be perfect, here's a question to ask yourself. What would I do today if I believed that all of this was already working? And if you want to know more about how I manage my own fear and anxiety around putting myself out there or growing my business in general, I recorded a video that I think you'll really like, and it's all about nervous system regulation as an entrepreneur. So now let's talk about the second habit that will help you grow your business and generate leads. And that's all about consistency. I see so many new consultants that jump from lead generation strategy to lead generation strategy. One day they're posting on LinkedIn. The next day they're building a funnel. The next day, they're creating an Instagram social media content strategy. And they think if I just jump from strategy to strategy, eventually one of them will work. It's not the strategy that creates the results. It's the consistency of sticking with one single strategy long enough to be able to see the benefits of it. For example, I teach 12 different ways to land clients inside of my Fractional Freedom certification program. All 12 ways work and all 12 ways are proven. So once you've made a commitment to a lead generation strategy that feels aligned for you, that you can look forward to doing every single day. And it doesn't have to be hours and hours. It can be 15 to 20 minutes a day. But what's most important is that you're doing it consistently enough to get that data and feedback. Having data and numbers of how many leads are you generating? How many of those leads are turning into a discovery call? And then how many of those discovery calls are turning into sales? Is so important in terms of getting feedback on your efforts. And as I mentioned before, my Fractional Freedom certification program teaches you 12 different ways to land clients, all of which work, all of which are proven. So if you want to learn more about that, I'll stick that link in the description for you and you can check it out. And the third habit that actually gets you results is all about gamifying your numbers. So I mentioned this in the last point, but what I find is so many consultants don't track their activity at all. So for example, I just had somebody come into my program and she said, I had this agency and they set up this funnel and I have been spending money on ads. And my first question to her was, well, how many leads are you getting and how many of those leads are turning into calls? After all of that money invested, she actually didn't have that data. One of the biggest light bulb moments that I have seen for students inside of my program is when they start tracking their numbers and they gamify it for themselves. Because when you treat lead generation like a science experiment, it can start taking some of that pressure off and it can make it really fun. So what that's going to do is it's going to give you feedback on the work that you're doing. And again, when we treat it like a science experiment, we don't have any judgment around it. We're not beating ourselves up or getting upset at the algorithm. What we're doing instead is saying to ourselves, well, we had a hypothesis and now we're experimenting with that hypothesis. And what can I learn? Where can I optimize? Where can I get feedback and coaching on my efforts in order for it to work better? It can also let you know if maybe you don't have a lead generation problem at all, but really what you need to do is get better at closing sales. And here's the most exciting part. You actually don't need a ton of leads, a huge audience, or an enormous amount of traffic to generate 6 figures as a consultant. Let's break down this math. So let's say that you generate 20 leads. If 50% book a discovery call and 50% of those discovery calls become clients, that's 5 clients. And let's say you're charging anywhere between $3,500 or $5,000 a month. You're looking at a 6-figure revenue stream without needing to be internet famous, launch heavy, or on every single platform. And that's why tracking matters. And most importantly, that's why gamifying this entire process matters so much. So if you've been second guessing your way through growth, it's time to start looking at the data and some of these really simple numbers that can help give you feedback on how things are going. So make it a game, track your wins, look for patterns, and adjust like a scientist. So if you've been focusing on trying to find the perfect strategy to generate leads as a consultant, I hope this video is really helpful to you, because it's not about a single strategy that's going to help you grow your consulting business, but it's about doing the right things consistently. So habits like showing up even when it's uncomfortable, making your vision bigger than your fear, and tracking results is what's going to make your consulting business turn into a multi-6-figure, revenue-producing, freedom-first lifestyle business. And the good news is that all of these habits are completely learnable, and they're way more powerful than most people realize. So if you want support putting this into practice, I highly recommend that you check out my Fractional Freedom Consulting Certification Program. Inside of that program, I not only teach you how to land clients in a way that works for you, that feels aligned, but is incredibly effective, but I also hand you my entire sales system, which is called the Collaborative Close, along with my delivery system, which has helped me generate millions of dollars in consulting revenue. In addition to that, you also get a year of weekly coaching, which is honestly unheard of for the price point, but I love packing in the value so that you get an incredible return on investment in a short period of time. So you'll find a link in the description below to learn more about it and watch my free training on how to generate a 6-figure freedom first consulting business. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for future videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.